What is up, you guys? It is your girl Aisha Savón here with another video. In today's video we are going to be using the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm so excited. This is how I created, oh, itchy nose. Today I used this palette to create this beautiful sultry eye look. Let me tell you, it was not going to be a sultry eye look, but this is how it turned out. Totally winged it, but I highly am happy with the results because zam, as Jackie would say, zam. If you guys want to see how I got this look with the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, then keep on watching. So we're gonna go right ahead and dig into the Jackie Aina palette. I'm so excited for this palette. It's so beautiful. Like, Jackie did that. She really did. It's got so many beautiful colors. Like, just look at, ooh, like, look at it. It's just gorgeous. It's like every color you could ever need. Like, honestly, I have no idea what type of look I'm going for, so we're just gonna wing it. And I know I look crazy. I'm in the middle of baking, so don't judge. Okay, I think there's so many options. I really kind of want to get into like lituation and doulas and maybe even sponsored. Like, there's just so many options. I can't. I think I'm gonna take edges and take edges right here, and I'm gonna use that on the outside corner. And I'm not trying to be too heavy-handed. I will say though, every Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that I have blends nicely, so good job, Jackie. Good job. This is such a nice color. I'm not going too high with it. That's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on my left eye. Okay, that blended out like a dream, guys. Like, seriously, and it looks so pretty. It's like a burnt, like, it looks brown on here, but it's like a brown red. I feel like I'm totally giving off like fall vibe. I can't talk today, guys. I feel like I'm giving off like fall vibes because your girl is ready for fall. Just know, like, I'm over the summer. I'm not a summer girl. I do not do the heat. I hate it. I'm ready for fall. I'm gonna take like just a little bit of credit, and I'm gonna go outside in the crease area, and I'm kind of just on the outside with it, on like the outside corner, because I don't really want to blend it like to the front of my eye. I'm gonna go back in the edges to get that color back a little bit. That's pretty. Okay, and we're gonna do the same on the other side. Now, credit, Jackie in her video says that it's brown, but I feel like it even has like a little bit of purple in it, like a purpley undertone kind of, as opposed to like a warm undertone. What to use now, guys? I low-key want to use Trust Issues, because Trust Issues is just like this beautiful, like, I can't even describe it. It's like white, but it's got like yellowish green shimmers in it. You probably can't even tell, but it's gorgeous. We're gonna use lituation. Okay, I'm gonna go into lituation. Ooh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes, Jackie. Thank you. Thank you, Jackie. That is gorgeous. I literally can't. I think I want to take a little bit of pinker and like blend that out in my crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of pinker and like blend that out in the top. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh yeah, kind of just like completes it. Let's see. for inner corner, I think I want to use Trust Issues because like Trust Issues is like calling my name. So I'm going to take Trust Issues and put that on my inner corner. I'm wondering if this is like a pressed like glitter. Woo! Because it's like very glittery. See, like I feel like the lights are making it look yellow, but in the palette it like looks white. And I think that's why Jackie said that she calls it Trust Issues, because it makes you think one thing. Jackie, I see what you did there, auntie. Yes, yes, auntie, I stand, yes. This eye look is low-key like giving me life, guys, not gonna lie. Did not expect it to come out like this, but I effing love it. Okay, all right, on my lower lash line, I'm gonna take edges, and then I might blow it out with Big Wig. Not sure, but that's kind of what I'm feeling. I still can't believe that Trust Issues, you guys, comes off like a yellow. Like, that is amazing. Like, how did you do that, Jackie? How did you do that? Anastasia, how did you do that? I think I'm gonna take Big Wig, guys. I think I'm gonna take Big Wig. Like a little tiny bit. And put that like close to the lasher line. Yeah, I like that. Yes, I like how it, cause it like looks cohesive with the purple. I like that I did Big Wig. Good job, Aisha. Okay, guys, I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I'll come back and let you guys know of my final thoughts on Jackie Aina's palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I wanted to let you guys know my final thoughts on the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I definitely 500% love this palette. Like, it is so bomb. Jackie did that thing, like, for real. I am so proud. It just has literally every color that you can imagine, and I still cannot get over the fact that Trust Issues, I know you see it, it looks white, it comes off yellow. That's why she called it Trust Issues. I just can't. It's so beautiful. But I feel like you can make so many different looks. You can do dramatic. Like I said, this eye look came out way more dramatic than I was intending it to be. But you can do like a soft, bronzy look, like with Zam and Soleil. You can do a nice purple look. You can do a pink look. You can do a red look. You can do everything with this palette. It is honestly so beautiful. And I am so thankful that a woman of color like Jackie created this palette for all of us beautiful queens and is able to collab with such an amazing brand like Anastasia Beverly Hills. So shout out to Jackie for doing that. Yes, sis, proud of you. Like, I love how the eyelids came out and they look bomb. Just saying. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this beautiful eye look with the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Make sure to comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button that is down there. I know you see it and I know you want to click it, so you should, because I'm pretty great and so are the rest of my videos. And if you want to see more of my videos, why haven't you clicked the subscribe button? I'm still waiting. You should hit it. Click it. It's right there. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.